Hi everybody, today I would like to show you how to create a compute instance running Red Hat Enterprise Linux. As you may already know, recently Oracle announced the support and certification of Red Hat Enterprise Linux operation system on OCI. So today I will show you simple steps how to do this. Let's start by going to compute instances link, which will bring us the user interface for instances. Let's create an instance, click on create, give a name for your instance, and let's go to change image menu, which will bring us the selection of operating systems which we can select for our instance. So for example, for Oracle Linux there are already images which are predefined, pre-uploaded. Same for Ubuntu, there are some images. But when you go to Red Hat, you can see that there are some steps which need to be taken before you can use this operation system. So for example, you need to download the Red Hat Enterprise Linux image first from Red Hat site, and then upload this image to OCI object storage. Then after you upload it, you need to import as an image, as a custom image, and use this custom image to create an instance. So let's open the documentation for this one, which contains more information on the process. I just clicked on the link, it brought me the full documentation. And what is important here is to be able to launch your instance, you need to download the image file as a KVM guest image. And also, while importing the custom image, you need to be sure that you selected the image type as QCOD2 format. So when you do this, you guarantee the successful import of the instance. And also, different from normal Oracle Linux connection, you will need cloud user, named user, to connect to your instance. So to download our KVM image, go to Google, simply search for Red Hat downloads. We need to go to software and download center. If you don't have an account in a Red Hat customer portal, you need to create one so that you can sign into the portal. When you sign in, you can click on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So this will bring you different version of Enterprise Linux. I will choose 9.1. And then when you go scroll down, you can see the image which we need, which is 9.1 KVM guest image. Just download it. Please note that we are not downloading ISO file, but the KVM guest image. Save the file. You can see it is downloaded. I have it on my a local computer, and now I need to upload this file to an object storage in OCI so that I can create the custom image. Let's go to an object storage from the hamburger menu. I go to my buckets. I select a bucket and start the normal upload process. At this stage, again, I'm using my user interface menu for the uploading objects. You can select uploading. You can choose to upload it as a, for example, from OCI CLI if you prefer it. But now I'm just using the normal user interface. So start the upload. Of course, it will take some time for upload. I will not do it right now just to save time because I have already done it. So you can see it on my screen. I have already uploaded this image to OCI, to another bucket in OCI object storage. So I go direct to compute. And now I need to first of all import this file as a custom image, I click on import images. You can choose the compartment where your for your custom image, give it a name. Then you need to select a bucket with our QCode2 file, and don't forget to choose a type as a QCode2 because by default it's VMDK. You need to change it, and then you click on import image. Again, when the importing job starts, it will take some time for import. After successful import, the image turns green as an available, and now from this point you can go and click on create instance using this image. Now you can give a name for your compute instance. I leave the available domain as default. Of course, you can choose whichever you prefer. You can see my image. You can also change the amount of cores for your compute instance. Then I need to upload the key which will be used for my connection. So I upload my public key and leave everything as default. Click on create. It takes some time for the provisioning to be done, and let's wait for the image to become provisioned. Now you see that it succeeded. You can see the public address of the image. Let's copy it and go to my terminal. Just remember that to connect to the instance, we need a user called cloud user, and after that just SSH using my public key to an instance. We are connected, as you can see. Let's also check our Red Hat version. So this completes my demo. As you can see, we successfully imported the image and was able to start a new compute instance using this image. Thank you for watching.